Hello students, hope you all are safe and fine. Then last class we discussed about Indian place value system, isn't it? Okay, so in the Indian place value system, ones period, thousand period, lakhs and crore. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about international place value system. Okay, in that the periods are ones, then comes thousands, then comes millions. Okay, millions. So three periods are there: ones, thousands and millions. Okay, ones period, again these periods are divided into places. That means ones period is divided into three places. They are ones, tens and hundred. Okay. Next, thousands place are divided into three. They are thousand place. TH denotes thousands. Okay. Thousand. Then comes 10,000. TTH denotes 10,000. Then comes 100,000. That means HTH denotes 100,000. Okay. Next, million. Again, it is divided into three places. Okay. They are million, 10 million. TM denotes 10 million and then comes 100 million. Okay. So, ones period, thousand period and also million period. Ones period, ones, tens and hundred. That's almost the same in the international Indian place value system. Okay. So, ones, tens and hundred period. Then comes thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Three places each. Then comes million, 10 million and 100 million. Then also we want to separate with comma. Each period we want to separate with the commas. Okay. Then only you will feel to write easily the number name as well as to write in figures. If you insert comma, then only you will feel easy. Okay. So here first we can discuss how to write in words in international place value system. How to write in words. Okay. First question, you want to write in words. Okay. So, this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a 7-digit number and you want to write in words using international place value system. Okay. So, for that first we want to insert comma. That means we want to start from ones period. That is ones, tens and 100. Okay. I insert a comma. Next comes what? Thousand period. That means three places each. So, 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. Then 2 comes under where? Under million. Okay. So, we can write this as 2 million. 2 million. Next, 896. This comes under where? 1,000 period. Okay. So, 896. 896. Then 450. Okay. 450. Okay. So, first what we do? First we separate with commas. Each period separated with a comma. Ones period, then thousand period and million period. So, here 2 million, 896,000. Okay, 896,000. Okay. 896,000. Okay, 2,896,450. Okay. Next question, you want to write in words. So, first step, what's the first step? Yes, we want to insert comma. So, ones, tens and 100 comes under word ones period. Okay, next 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Okay, next million, 10 million and 100 million. So, we can write this as what? 123. This 123 comes under word million period. So, we can write it as 123 million. 123 million. Then 453. This comes under word in 1000 period. Okay, 400. So, you want to write 453,000. Okay, 53,536 comes under ones period. So, 536. Okay, so first we insert comma, then see 123 million, then 453,536. Okay, next, so if you get a number, first you insert comma, then you start writing words. Okay, next, you want to write in figures. That means just reverse. Write in figures. Write in figures. In that first question, two million 743 149. So, in this you want to write in figures. So, first step we want to note the periods. That means see 2 million. So, 2 comes under million period. Okay, 2 million, then 743,000. See next period 1000 period. So, million period, then comes what? 1000 period. Then 149 comes under in ones period. Okay, so 2 million. See, I will write here 2. 2 comes under 2 million. Then 743,000. Okay, that means 743,000. Next 149. So, that comes under ones period. Okay. So, first step you note here what all periods are here. See million period, then comes 1000 period, and this 149 comes under one's period. Okay, so this we get the answer as what? 2, then 7, 4, 3, 1, 4, 9. So you look, 149 comes under in one's period, then this 743 comes under 1000 period. So we can read it as 2,743,149. Okay. So we can move on to next question. $22 million 22,240,000 783. 783. Okay. Now we want to write in which place. So see, 22 million. First we want to note which period is it? Million. Then comes 240,000. Okay. So 783. So million period, 1000 period and one's period. So we can write the number. So 22 million. Okay. So 22. It comes under which place? Say 22 million. Okay. So 22 million. Then 240,000 comes under 1000 place. Okay. So 240. Okay. 240,000. Then 783. 783. Okay. So our answer is C, 240,783. So want to insert comma also. So one's period. Next comes 1000 period. Then comes million period. So 22,240,000 and 783. So that's all about this international place value system. So you want to note that one's period, 1000 period and a million period. One's period divided into 3 places, ones, tens and 100. 1000 period, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. Then million, 10 million and 100 million. Okay. And also we want to insert comma between the periods. We want to separate periods using commas. Okay. Then you can read it easily, and also you can write in reverse, you can write the numbers also easily. Now I will send you homework later. You want to write it in your homework book. Okay students? Thank you.